Ever wondered how to solve equations that look like a puzzle? Today, we're diving into a powerful method to tackle quadratic equations, specifically x squared plus 2x equals 0. By the end, you'll understand how to use a specific theorem to break down and solve these types of equations, revealing their hidden solutions. First, let's visualize our equation. Imagine x squared as a square area and 2x as two rectangular strips. We want to find the value of x that makes this total area 0. Our first step is to factor out the common term, x. This transforms our equation into x times the quantity x plus 2 equals 0. Now, for the magic. If two numbers multiply to give 0, then at least one of them must be 0. This is called the zero product property. This gives us two simple cases to solve. Case 1. If x equals 0, then our equation is already 0. So x equals 0 is one solution. Case 2. If x plus 2 equals 0, then x must be negative 2. So x equals negative 2 is our second solution. So we found our two solutions, x equals 0 and x equals negative 2. Let's visualize this on a number line. To be sure, let's check our solutions by plugging them back into the original equation. For x equals 0, we get 0 squared plus 2 times 0, which equals 0. It works! For x equals negative 2, we get negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2, which equals 0. It works too. And there you have it. The solutions to x squared plus 2x equals 0 are x equals 0 and x equals negative 2.